Sephora sale package. So today's the last day of the Sephora sale. I'm gonna make another video. Aren't these just the cutest thing ever? Oh my god, I love it. It's like a cat claw and a box opener. So I'm gonna make another video because I have a bunch of more things in my cart for the Sephora sale that I have found from watching you guys' video about the things you bought for the Sephora sale. So I'm gonna need you guys to de-influence me on some of those because I cannot buy all of them. But let's see what I already bought. I love unboxing my Sephora stuff. So, caveat, keep in mind, some of this is for affiliate marketing too. Like, obviously, I don't need 9 million blushes, but I bought a lot of them. But I focused on brands that I really like and it would be like my dream to be on their PR list and work with them for UGC and stuff like that. But anyway, let's get started. So first off, I got Olaplex number 3 plus, which is a fairly new product. Like, I've had number 3 and liked it. I've had all of the Olaplex products. When I was first like starting out on TikTok, I made videos about Olaplex, and Olaplex like wrote back to me. And as a like small starting out creator, I remember that. Plus the products are good. Like, you need both. But obviously the product being good is most important. But the fact that they took the time to write back to a tiny just started creator who was just sitting on their couch with no lights or pro audio or anything at that point, no video quality, saying that they like the products, like, I appreciate that. So this is their new number 3 plus. Very excited to try that. Then we've got, let's see, I got this Summer Fridays jet lag kit. I've had the jet lag before, like the mask, and I got the spray in one of my Sephora favorite kits, and it was like the MVP of my trip to Egypt of keeping my skin sane. Like, so I'm almost out, and here's another bottle of that. And there's also a mask. I love a good mask. What can I say? Love, love, love. And then there is a mini of the jet lag mask. And one more in here, which I believe is a new product to me. This is the Jet Lag Deep Hydration Serum. Very cool. So yeah, the mask. I don't know if that's why they call it jet lag, but especially like getting off an airplane, a long haul flight, I feel like it really, really helps like get your skin to bounce back. All right, let's see what else we got here. So we got a couple things from Rare Beauty, which I love, love, love Rare Beauty. I love Selena Gomez. She's around my age, so, I saw her in stuff when she was a teenager. I followed her. I love her documentary, like My Mind and Me, which I believe is still on Apple TV. If you haven't watched it, you should. It's great. Like, everything she does around mental health, I really, really love. So I have, and again, the Rare Beauty brand, the products are really good. So there was a point where I had like every product, including the brushes, that was out from Rare Beauty. They have since expanded, and I've been out of work for a year. So naturally, I don't have them anymore. This is the powder blush. And I did things a little different and got the color Spirited. So this is the matte bouncy blush. And yeah, I got a little bit darker color, but I'm pretty excited to try this. All right, definitely do not drop it. You saw me drop it into the box. And I also got one more product, the Warm Wishes Soft Matte Powder Bronzer in Warmed Up. And I have most of the products from her, including a lot of the brushes, but yeah, this is one of my favorite brands. I was introduced to it through Ipsy, actually, and I just re-upped my Ipsy. That was one of the things when I did not have a regular job, which I am, fingers crossed, about to have a full-time job again. But yeah, this is the shade Warmed Up in the powder bronzer. But yeah, I got the original foundation from Ipsy, and I took it from there. Also, from another one of my favoriteest brands ever, we have a couple things from Say. Say is another one that when I mentioned to them in my early videos, which was just, me sitting in my bathroom doing a bad job of my makeup, they would write back. And it's one whenever I see anybody who's on the PR list for any of these, I'm like, that's my goal. Like, I know I will have made it when I get those, if, you know, I ever get on those kinds of lists. So this is the Super Suede Radiant Blush Powder in the shade Bella, a very bright pink, more me. And I think I got 3 things from Say, actually. I love their glowy super gel in Star Glow. Like, that under my makeup is just, it's like primer. And then that is just like, yeah. I wanted to get the setting spray, but it was sold out. There were a couple things I really wanted to get in the Sephora sale that were sold out. So yeah, this is, and the packaging, all of these, the packagings for all of these are just amazing. Super Suede Radiant Baked Bronzer. I got Amalfi, which is light to medium. But yeah, that's quality. And then the third one from Say. Yeah, here we go. Also got the liquid blush in the pink. Look at that. Ah. So this is the Dew Blush Liquid Cheek Flush. And what is the color? It is Baby. Whee. Yeah, that's so pretty. I can't wait to try these. I just have a lot of videos to shoot because it's the last day. And again, I need you guys to de-influence the cart that you guys have influenced me to get. Okay, this is a new brand to me, but I have heard a lot of good things about it. So I got some minis from Westman Atelier, which were very expensive. So the Sephora sale would be the time to do it. But yeah, these are magnetic, right? Yeah, they are. So this is the cream bronzer in the shade Biscuit. These are the minis. So this is Face Trace Contour Stick in Biscuit. Yeah, I like my magnetic. It is magnetic, isn't it? Maybe it's not. It must be. Like House Labs, who I also really like, Lady Gaga's brand. She does magnetic for her compacts. And yeah, I love it. Okay. This was probably the most expensive product in all of it because they did not have a mini of their setting powder. So I got the pink setting powder from Westman Atelier. It comes in a little bag, which if I can get it open will be a nice touch. There we go. Oh, it's heavy too. Wow, look at that. Yeah, very heavy. Yeah, okay. So this is Vital Press Skincare Powder in Pink Bubble. Pretty, 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 pretty. Yeah. Again, this is a new brand to me, but I know a lot of people like really, really like it. I know it's gonna be quality. And finally, I got the mini of the blush in the shade Petal. This one's a lighter color of the packaging. So this is the, can I read it? Baby Cheeks Blush Stick in Petal. Focus. I'll cut it out if it didn't. And there's the color. All right, and then just a couple more odds and ends. Tatcha. Tatcha's one of those brands I really, really, really love. I need to be on their PR list because their stuff is so, so, so expensive. But I got their Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. This is a new product for me. I've gotten like their couple of sets from them, either through Ipsy or like in Sephora, that had like minis and stuff like that. So, and I've really, really liked them. Like they're like the indigo cream and those like little tubs of cream that they have. All the ones I've tried. They're really good. It smells good too. Which things that smell like nothing are perfectly fine if they have good skincare. And I know some people, particularly some autistic people like me, don't like smells at all, but I do if it smells good, but certainly don't want it to smell bad. Though, I mean, like Biologic Retarget, like notoriously like smells like sewage water and is actually like a really, really popular skincare product. So don't get me wrong. All right, this is from Kosas, which I've had like mixed success with Kosas. Some of their products I really, really like. Some of them I've not had great success with. I may have gotten the wrong shades though. But this is their powder blush, which is Blush is Life in the shade Butterflies. I like this packaging. It's very different. It's like translucent. You can see it through it. See how hard it is to get open though. That's what I'm worried about. Ow. Alright. There's obviously okay, that was stupid easy. I just did it wrong. Alright, so yeah, look at that. That's like pink, right? Very pink. Can you tell I like pink blush? And blush in general. So yeah, this is something I'm very excited to try out. I really can't go wrong with a blush. All right, and finally, the last thing, I've got one more from Summer Fridays. I have like a bunch of things from Summer Fridays, but it turned out I did not have any of their lip liners, and I don't have that many lip liners in general, so I grabbed this. This was like one that I saw in somebody's Sephora haul for the sale right before I made the purchase of this first one. So what shade is this? So this is in Rosette Flushed Lip Stain. I like these kind of more crayon as opposed to pencil or like little magic marker type applicators. Let's just, I should have been doing, but I don't have time. We're already at 11 minutes. We're gonna do a different video with swatches. But yeah, that's everything I got. Again, check out the next video because I've got my cart and I want you guys to de-influence me because I cannot buy all of this and time is running out.